Hello everyone. Today I am going to talk about how to speak in English and how to improve your communication skills. Here you can find activities to practice your speaking skills. You can improve your speaking by noticing the language we use in different situations. Take our free audio podcast. In this audio podcast, you can find how to speak in English and how to improve your communication skills. So let's start. Speaking practice to help you learn useful language for everyday communication. Situation include giving advice, dealing with a problem, and challenging someone's ideas. If you are learner and starting improve your English communication, here are some tips I am going tell you. Some easy way you don't forget forever. Like read daily newspaper. You should also read any book you like and also use artificial intelligence and social media platform like translation applications and watching English movie. Learn from native level English speakers with any language. Going from the version of the language you learn in lesson to the way people actually use the language in real life can be challenging. Pronunciation, grammar, intonation, and slang can all make it difficult to sound like a native speaker, even when your English is otherwise perfect. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Studies shows that we learn faster when we learn more like children trying out our growing language skills with abandon and jumbling through our mistakes. Trial and error is a part of figuring out how to actually use a language. So don't be afraid to take a leap. Put books and audiobooks to work, improve listening skills. Listen to English podcasts and music. This can impose you to different accent and vocabulary. I will give some tasks if you will follow. I guarantee your English speaking abilities are going to be so much better how they are right now. And also, your English problem is gonna go away forever and ever. I promise you that. What you have to do is you have to speak 10 minutes of English for the rest 100 days. It's just 1000 minutes. If you speaking in English, now mind it. It can't be with an application and AI. Nothing. You could not be talking to AI. You have to do it with real person. You have to talk English with an actual human being, but that could be on the phone. That's all right, but it has to be a real person. You don't do this in front of mirror. You are not going to do it that way. This problem of yours not being able to speak in English despite trying so hard for so many years now is going to get over. But there can't be a gap of even one day. You have to do it for 100 days at a stretch. No gap so ever. If you can do this, we are on for the challenge. You have to fill one entry every day in your notebook. I hope you